you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. The food pantries were closed today. I am so sorry, but I wanted to bring you a video. We're going to do a design video today. Now, we all know, or you should know, me by now, that I love Halloween. And Halloween is coming up. And I want the dining room area right here, which I don't show often, but you've seen before, to look hauntingly good for Halloween. And right now, it is not very Halloweeny. So, we're going to take things I got from the dollar store and things from the resale shop and make it a spooktacular dining room. Come on, let me show you how to do it. Yes, this is cool for every day, but not today. First, let's take this away. We're going to start with two things. This cool base I found at the thrift shop, and this black pumpkin. And this is going to set the theme for our table. Come on. All right. I rinsed this off to make it look really nice. I'm going to put this as my centerpiece to hold up my pumpkin. Then I'm going to put Mr. Pumpkin right there. Get him in the center. Okay? Now, that's cool, but we need something around it. We're going to take some of that dollar store foliage. Oh yeah. And I've got a green, just decorative string attached with it. And we're going to put it around it as thick as we can to make it look full, even though it's really not. Hey, it's the dollar store stuff. You gotta do the best you can. Okay. I may not use this green thing. I don't think I like it. I like that. Put the leaves here, some more leaves there. Yeah. Now, that's cool, but let's, I think I want to thicken it up even a little bit more. I'll put another row of leaves around to make sure the back is covered, because it's going to be seen from all sides. There we go. Let's take two skulls, plastic ones, from the dollar store and put on each side. Then I've got some plastic spiders, also from the dollar store. Well, now it's the $1.50 store. Aren't they cool? Aren't these cool? Let's place them around here. One there. Put some in the back here, somewhere here, and we'll put another one right over here. Okay. I'm going to put a candy dish right here. That way people can get some candy. This is a leaf dish I got from the dollar store, and I think it looks pretty cool. Just put it right there. All right. I know what's missing. Some candy from the dollar store. One black candle. One orange. And this. I think that's pretty cool. Nieces and nephews, I hope you enjoyed this. It's simple and super easy. And, may I say that naughty little word? Cheap. I made a mess of myself. Oh, but that's okay. This is all fun. That's why I wear these t-shirts, because I usually make a mess. Now, I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. I want you to write to me Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef from gmail.com. Yes, I will have a food pantry haul coming up, but also be sure to look for our Halloween special coming up. It's going to be a doozy. It's going to be something really, really special. And I hope you guys like it. I really do. Okay, until then, big love from Uncle Chris.